This is the Redneck Belly Flop. I'm Will Sonnes and the cameraman's Anders Holland. Do not try any of the stunts performed on this show. They're not performed by professionals, but that doesn't mean you can try them either.
Well, it kind of does, but...
Redneck Belly Flop!
Oh my god.
Try again, that was fun!
Sweet. No, my turn. My turn.
No, you don't
hate
take turns. You're not the stunt person.
Nah. Keep going.
Belly Flop! Oh!
I want to turn.
I got pine needles up my butt.
Nice, dude. You said that into the camera.
What?
You said that into the camera.
Oh, damn.
Okay, now it's my turn to try this. But
Will
Sonnes is gonna be the cameraman. Okay, so cool. I'm the weaker one, so I'm probably gonna tap. But
obviously, it will not be as cool just because he sucks. Okay.
Hey, glasses off. Hold my glasses. Hey.
Okay. Where's Zoom? Okay. I got it. I'll just go. Okay.
Ow. Yeah, open it. Cool. I smell it. Ow! Ow! God! Ow! 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 God! Ow! God, no! No! Oh my God! Oh my God!
That's enough for today. Okay, turn it off. How do you turn it off? I'm not the cameraman. That button? Okay.
Ow.
Yeah.